welcome back to my channel. Something in my mouth. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the Tarte eyeshadow palette. It's a review and it's also going to be somewhat of a tutorial because I suck at doing eyeshadow, but I'm going to give it everything I got. So just FYI, this could be a complete disaster. Moving on, so let's take it out of the box. This is the box that it comes in, and whoop. So this, look how beautiful it is. It's so shimmery and shiny. It's heavy. I love the texture of it. It feels like almost like a leather. So this is what the palette looks like inside. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And there's a mirror, and you could see me filming in the camera over there. That was weird. So here's the entire palette. Hopefully you guys can see it. So here's the name for each color in the palette. Nude Beach, Sure Thing, Frosé, Mimosa, Beach Please, Cavern, Saltwater, Fantastic, Sandbar, Shipwreck, Bubbles, Splash, and Lagoon. Of course, my favorite one is Bitch Please. Okay, so let's just do this. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. I already put like a little base coat. So I think I'm gonna go in with, which color should I do? We're gonna do Bubbles as like our in-between color. I don't even know the terms for any of this stuff. It's okay, we learn. So I'm gonna go in with Bubbles, and I'm gonna just take a little bit and I'm gonna tap, 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 tap. It's cool that they have this little mirror on here so you can kind of see what the heck you're doing. I wouldn't say it's very convenient though, because I mean, if you're gonna carry this around with you ever, you have to be like a real queen. Yeah, maybe it would work. Ooh, supposed to be holding the brush far away. You're not supposed to be holding it like this when you're doing it. So by holding it further away, you're gonna get more of a fresh look instead of a cakey look. Okay, so far not a complete disaster. So now I'm going to use the same brush and go in with my darker color. And I think I'm going to do Lagoon. It's going to be intense. So I'm gonna move on to Frosé, this one over here, and just see what happens. So I'm gonna put it up at the, ooh, girl. That's like spicy. Okay, so now I guess it's blending time. I do like that pop. That pop, pop, pop. Popping. I'm gonna go under a little bit with this one. So I don't know if this is like hot mess or what it is, but I'm not done yet. So let me at least try and finish. Yeah, these colors are intense. I'm really, really liking how heavy the colors are, and the shine in them is like awesome. I'm really liking it. So I'm gonna go back in with my Frosé. Not bad. I'm just gonna go in with my MAC. Okay, so now just let me pop on my eyelashes. Okay, so I just popped on my eyelashes. Popped on. I'm terrible at putting eyelashes on. I hate it. But, you know, with practice makes perfect. So this is the finished eye look. There you go. So I'd love to know what you guys thought about this tutorial, if you've tried the product yourself and what you thought about it. And thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. The next thing that I want to review is the Lip Injection Extreme by Too Faced. Supposed to make your lips blow up, so I'm excited. It's like Botox. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a great day. Time to go to soccer practice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.